Dear student, today we are going to start our group number 17, halogen family. Halogen group number 17, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Fluorine and chlorine are gases. Yes, fluorine and chlorine is gas at room temperature. Bromine is liquid, where iodine is a solid. Astatine also solid. Their melting and boiling point steadily increase with atomic number. Yes, with increasing in atomic number, melting point and boiling point gradually increases due to van der Waals attraction forces. Number of molecules, number of electron increase by, size increase by, van der Waals attraction increases. All halogens are colored. Yes, all the halogens are colorful. This is due to absorption of radiation in visible region, which result in the excitation of outer electron to higher energy level by absorbing different quanta of radiation. The particle of light, here lone pair 3, it absorbs a photon, quanta, particle of light, and excited and move on another higher energy level, but at a time it comes in original place, so it emits radiation, electromagnetic waves. એટલે આ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન છે રેડિયેશન છે એબ્સોર્બ કરે એટલે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન એક્સાઇટ થાય ફરી પાછા એની મૂળ ઓરિજિનલ પ્લેસમાં આવી જાય, so it appears colorful. By absorbing different quanta of radiation, they display different colors. For example, fluorine has yellow color, chlorine is greenish yellow, bromine is red, where iodine is violet in color. In sunlight, not in dark room, sunlight ma fluorine yellow dekhai, pure chlorine greenish yellow, bromine red, iodine violet. Fluorine and chlorine react with water. Bromine and iodine are only sparingly soluble in water. When we dissolve fluorine and chlorine into water, it reacts with water, gives hypochlorous acid and hydrochloric acid. When we dissolve chlorine into water, gives hypochlorous acid and hydrochloric acid. Fluorine and chlorine react with water, where bromine, iodine sparingly soluble into water but are soluble in organic solvent such as chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide, and hydrocarbons like benzene, toluene. એમાં easily dissolve થાય છે bromine and iodine, except the smaller enthalpy of આ બધા bromine iodine છે એ organic solvent માં dissolve થાય અને colorful solution આપે, except the smaller enthalpy of dissociation of fluorine compared to the chlorine. Fluorine dissociation enthalpy should be high, but electrons are very close of lone pair, so repulsion is more between them, and due to that bond easily breaks. Bond dissociation enthalpy is less than chlorine, higher of chlorine, then less in bromine and in iodine. This sequence, the bond between two halogen, dissociation enthalpy from chlorine onwards, so expect trend. એટલે ક્લોરીનની હાઈએસ્ટ છે એનાથી લેસ બ્રોમિન, એનાથી લેસ ફ્લોરિન આવશે અહીંયા here. Then after iodine. The reason for the smaller enthalpy of dissociation of fluorine is the relatively larger electron repulsion among the lone pair of fluorine. આ ફ્લોરિનની જે લોન પેર્સ છે એની વચ્ચેનું repulsion is responsible for that. Yes, among the lone pair of fluorine, where they are much closer to each other than in case of chlorine. એટલે ફ્લોરિન એટલો સાઇઝમાં નાનો છે કે લોન પેરના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વચ્ચે રિપલ્શન ઇન્ક્રીઝ થઈ જાય તો બોન્ડ ડિસોસિએશન એન્થાલ્પી ઇઝ લેસ ધેન ક્લોરિન. ક્લોરિનમાં સાઇઝ બિગ છે તો ક્લોરિન એટમ ફાર ફ્રોમ ઈચ અધર. Chemical properties. Oxidation state and trend in chemical reactivity. All the halogens exhibit -1 oxidation state. Why? Reason for that, halogen has outermost 7 electron, so needed only 1 electron to complete octet. So all the halogen exhibit -1 oxidation state. However, except fluorine, bromine and iodine exhibit +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation states also. The higher oxidation state of chlorine, bromine, iodine are realized mainly when the halogen are in combination with small and highly electronegative fluorine and oxygen atom. Reason for that, electronegativity highest of fluorine, then second position oxygen, then chlorine, bromine, iodine. આ ત્રણેય કરતા ઓક્સિજન અને ફ્લોરિનની ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી હાઈ છે. સો હાયર ઓક્સિડેશન નંબર +3, +5 and +7 only possible with fluorine and oxygen. Chlorine gives +7 oxidation number having oxide Cl2O7 like this. એટલે chlorine, bromine, iodine કરતા fluorine oxygen electronegativity high છે. So when it combines with oxygen or fluorine, it exhibits high oxidation number. The fluorine atom has no d orbital in its valence shell. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. In second orbit there are 7 electrons. D is absent. So in 2s there are 2. In p there are 5 electrons. Now electronegative fluorine and oxygen atom in interhalogens oxide and oxoacid. In HClO4 oxidation number +7, in oxide +7, in ClF5 there is +5. Higher oxidation state possible of chlorine, bromine, iodine only in oxoacid, oxide and fluoride. Cannot accept expanded octet being the most electronegative. It exhibit only -1. અહીં expansion ના થાય એટલે paired electron unpaired થઈ શકે નહીં કારણ કે vacant orbital જ નથી second orbit માં 2s 2p હોય 2d હોય જ નહીં એટલે only gaining nature હોય એટલે -1 oxidation state possesses expansion ના થાય એટલે paired electron unpaired થઈ શકે નહીં. So unpaired ના થાય એટલે bond એક કરતા વધારે form થાય નહીં. All the halogens are highly reactive. એટલે halogen group ના બધા elements due to outermost 7 electrons excepting nature highly reactive. They react with metal and non-metal to form halides. Halogen combines with metal and non-metal gives a halide. With carbon it gives carbon tetrachloride. With metal a non-metal, a metal NaCl. The reactivity of the halogen decreases down the group. Fluorine is highly reactive and down the group reactivity decreases. Now standard reduction potential SRP. Standard reduction potential of the fluorine is highest whenever halogen gains 2 electron, it became halide ion. So fluorine gains 2 electron, became 2F minus ion. Here reduction potential is plus 2.87 volt. Now in chlorine, which is less 1.36, in bromine less than chlorine 1.09, and in iodine the gaining nature of electron is less. Here reduction potential decreases. More the value of standard reduction potential, more powerful is the oxidizing agent. Gaining nature itself experiences reduction, तो इन्हें oxidizing agent कहवाय. Yes, it behaves like a strong. Reduction potential high means a strong oxidizing agent. Hence, the order of oxidizing power is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Oxidizing power maximum of fluorine, then less in chlorine, less in bromine, less in iodine. Order of reducing behavior. F minus releases electron, became fluorine. Now bromine. This is oxidation. F minus माथी fluorine बने, that is the oxidation. So oxidation द्वारा શું કહે reducing agent. So fluoride નો electron lose કરવાનો behavior કરતા iodine નો size big છે. Easily one electron releases, easily oxidized, and a strong reducing agent. Iodide, bromide, chloride and fluoride, inverse of it. Halogen oxide. Halogen combines with oxygen, gives halogen oxide. Fluorine forms 2 oxide, OF2, oxygen difluoride and oxygen monofluoride. However, only OF2 is the thermally stable at room temperature 298 Kelvin. A બે oxyfluoride માં only OF2 is stable. These oxides are essentially oxygen fluoride because of the higher electronegativity of fluorine than oxygen. Both are strong fluorinating agents. અહીંયા polar bond હોય છે. Electronegativity high of fluorine. Bond is polar, easily breaks and donates fluorine to another compound. So both are strong fluorinating agent. O2F2, oxygen monofluoride, oxidize plutonium to PuF6. When plutonium react with O2F2, 3 mole gives PuF6, plutonium hexafluoride. So plutonium experiences oxidation and removal of 3O2. Here fluorine donates to plutonium, so fluorinating agent. And the reaction is used in the removing plutonium as PuF6 from spent nuclear fuel. Nuclear fuel માં mixture હોય છે another elements અને plutonium. So plutonium ને separate કરવા we have to pass O2F2, so we get PuF6. Now chlorine, bromine and iodine form oxides in which the oxidation state of this halogen vary from +1 to +7. Chlorine, bromine, iodine form oxide in which oxidation state of this halogen vary from +1 to +7. એનાથી ઓક્સાઇડ છે એમાં +1 to +7 સુધી ઓક્સિડેશન નંબર હોય છે. A combination of kinetic and thermodynamic factors lead to generally decreased order of stability of oxide. એટલે thermodynamically અને chemical kinetically બેના કોમ્બિનેશનથી ઓક્સાઇડની સ્ટેબિલિટીનો ઓર્ડર આવો છે. The iodine oxide is more stable than chlorine, and chlorine oxide is more stable than bromine. This is practically proven, we have to remember. Oxide of the iodine are more stable than chlorine, and oxide of the chlorine are more stable than bromine. The higher oxides of halogen tend to be more stable than lower ones. The higher oxidation number वाला oxide more stable than lower oxidation number. This is called middle row anomaly. Underline it. અને middle row anomaly કહેવાય છે. Chlorine oxide Cl2O. Here oxidation number +1, +4 and +3, and Cl2O7 are highly reactive oxidizing agent and tend to explode ClO2. +1, +4, +3 and +7 try to become -1 oxidation number, otherwise 0. એટલે પોતાનું રિડક્શન થાય. So strong oxidizing agent છે, explode છે, વિસ્ફોટ થાય. ClO2 is used as a bleaching agent for paper pulp and textile in water treatment. Water माथी paper माथी impurity color से remove करवा, which is useful as a bleaching agent. Why? It releases oxygen and it easily bleaches. The bromine oxide Br2O, BrO2 and BrO3 are the least stable halogen oxide and exist only at low temperature. The bromine oxide છે stable હોતા નથી thermodynamically at low temperature. એટલે low temperature ઉપર stable હોય, room temperature માં high temperature માં unstable હોય, decompose થઈ જાય. They are very powerful oxidizing agents. એટલે પોતાનું reduction થાય. The iodine oxide are stable. I2O4, I2O5, in I2O4 +4, +5, +7 oxidation number are insoluble in solid. Highly stable છે, insoluble in water, insoluble solid છે, decompose on heating. એને ગરમ કરીએ તો એનું decompose થઈ જાય. I2O5 is very good oxidizing agent. એટલે પોતાનું reduction થાય. So it self experiences reduction. So good oxidizing agent used in the estimation of carbon monoxide. Yes, I2O5 is useful in the estimation of here release oxygen combines here. On the basis of it we can derive the amount of carbon monoxide. I2O5 is useful in estimation of carbon monoxide. Now compounds of the halogen. Now compound of halogens. Chlorine gas. First of one, preparation of chlorine by heating chlorine with concentrated sulfuric acid in presence of MnO2. Hydrogen chloride, there should be HX. In presence of MnO2 gives chlorine gas. Bromine and iodine also liberate bromine and iodine respectively with concentrated sulfuric acid and MnO2. When we take sulfuric acid, 2 mole of sulfuric acid with sodium chloride, so it gives Na2SO4, and in presence of MnO2 it gives halogen, halide. Suppose chloride is taken here, 4 mole of H plus, so Mn plus 4 converting to plus 2 gives halogen, means chlorine. By this method bromine and iodine also forms. Now calcium oxychloride plus 2 mole of HCl gives calcium chloride, chlorine gas and water. 2 mole of KMnO4 react with 16 mole of HCl gives 2 mole KCl, 2 mole MnCl2, 5 mole of chlorine and 8 mole of water. Now lead dioxide with 4 mole of HCl gives PbCl2 plus chlorine and 2 mole of water. Now manufacturing of chlorine. Decaying process. Yes, manufacturing of chlorine by decaying process by oxidation of hydrogen chloride gas by atmospheric oxygen. હવામાં ઓક્સિજન છે એના વડે in the presence of cuprous chloride, cupric chloride is a catalyst at 723 Kelvin temperature. 4 mole HCl, the 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen gives 2H2O and removal of 2 mole of chlorine. Electrolytic process. Chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of brine. Brine means salt. Concentrated NaCl solution is called brine. When we take NaCl concentrated and when we electrolyze, so Na plus and X minus, so X minus moves toward anode and 2X minus ion releases 2 electron gives the halogen. It is obtained as a byproduct in many chemical industries in manufacturing of sodium hydroxide. And here is water. So water experiences reduction, gives dihydrogen and release OH. So NaOH na production માં by product chlorine gas મળે છે. Now properties. Chlorine is a greenish yellow gas. Chlorine છે એ greenish yellow color નો gas છે. And pungent ગમે નહીં તેવી. Suffocating odor. Suffocation થયો gas છે. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air. Why? Molecular mass of chlorine is 71 gram per mole, which is heavier than air, 2 to 5 times. It can be liquefied into greenish yellow liquid. હવે આપણે પ્રેશર આપીએ so it convert into liquid greenish yellow which boils at 239 Kelvin. It is soluble in water. Chlorine soluble in water gives hydrochloric acid and hypochlorous acid. Actually chlorine dissolves into water gives HCl and hypochlorous acid, and this hypochlorous acid gives HCl and nascent oxygen. Hypochlorous acid as a form gives nascent oxygen which is responsible for oxidizing and bleaching property of chlorine. આમાંથી જે નાસ્કન્ટ ઓક્સિજન રિલીઝ થાય એ કલર સબસ્ટન્સ સાથે રિએક્ટ કરી એને ઓક્સિડાઇઝ કરે કે એને બ્લીચિંગ કરશે અને કલરલેસ સબસ્ટન્સમાં ઇટ કન્વર્ટ ઇન કલરલેસ સબસ્ટન્સીસ. Colorful substances became colorless, so which is called bleaching agent. It bleaches vegetable or organic matter in presence of moisture. In organic matter, vegetable oil છે, bleaches vegetable, organic matter, moisture. Bleaching effect of chlorine is permanent. Chlorine ની જે bleaching effect છે permanent હોય છે. Chlorine is oxidizing agent, so it experiences reduction. Chlorine is oxidizing agent, experiences reduction, so which is oxidizing agent. Chlorine converts ferrous ion into ferric ion and sulfite into sulfate. Sulfur dioxide into sulfuric acid, iodine into iodic acid, bromide -1 into 0, bromine, ammonia into 0. Yes, oxidation. And limited ammonia gives NCl3. Excess ammonia with chlorine gives NH4Cl and nitrogen. But excess ammonia with chlorine, limited ammonia with chlorine gives NCl3 and hydrochloric acid. Now halogen acids. Halogen acids. Preparation of hydrochloric acid. Preparation by heating a halide with concentrated acid. By heating a halide with concentrated acid, when we take concentrated sulfuric acid at 150 degrees Celsius, NaCl react with sulfuric acid gives HNCl as HCl and sodium bisulfate. Now that sodium bisulfate react with NaCl at 550 degrees Celsius, Na2SO4 and hydrochloric acid. Clear? Now we are in our new point. An above method is called a salt cake method as it involves the formation of sodium bisulfate. ને salt cake કહેવાય છે. આગળ જે મેથડ જોઈ ગયા HCl with NaCl, H2SO4 with NaCl, એ salt cake method કહેવાય. HCl cannot be dried over P2O5 કે P4O10 એના ડાઈ મોલેક્યુલ્સ છે. phosphorus pentoxide એ ડાઈમર હોય P4O10 or quicklime. HCl છે એ મોઇસ્ચરસ હોય તો એમાંથી moist remove ના થાય by calcium oxide and P4O10 MCQ because they chemically inert with calcium oxide and P4O10. Calcium oxide with HCl gives calcium chloride and water. P4O10 with HCl gives phosphorus oxychloride and metaphosphorus acid. HCl is hence dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. HCl માં જે moist હોય we can only remove by sulfuric acid. HCl is not reacting with sulfuric acid. Now properties. This is colorless. HCl pure હોય તો HCl gas છે. Pungent ના ગમે તેવી સ્મેલ વાળો ગેસ છે. એસિડિક ટેસ્ટ અને ચાખીએ તો એસિડિક હોય છે, ખાટું હોય છે. This is neither combustible nor supporter of combustion. તે સળગે એવું નથી કે સળગવામાં મદદ કરે તેવો પણ નથી. When perfectly dry, HX have no action on litmus. યાદ રાખજો. HF હોય gas, HCl, HBr and HI. Where it is in gaseous state હોય તો litmus paper ઉપર કોઈ અસર ન થાય. Yes, but in presence of moisture, પણ જો ભેજવાળો litmus paper હોય કે ભેજવાળો એસિડ હોય તો જ અસર થાય. They turn blue litmus into red. તે blue litmus ને red બનાવશે. આનો એસિડિક નેચર પ્રૂવ કરે છે. That proves the acidic nature of it. Among halogen acid, HI is the strongest and HF is the weakest acid. આ બધા halogen acid માં HF is the strongest acid. Why? Iodine is huge in size. Bond easily breaks. Then HBr, then HBr and HCl and HI. Bond is very strong in HF. બેની સાઇઝ સ્મોલ છે, બોન્ડ લેન્થ શોર્ટ છે, removal nature of H plus is less in HF, and due to big size bond length is high, dissociation enthalpy very less, so releasing nature is very high. HI is strongest acid and HF is weakest acid among them. Now bye, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.